fix automatic repair loop in Windows 7, 10 or 11. Hey everyone, if you're getting this automatic repair on loop, here is the solution to it. Make sure that you follow the steps accordingly. First of all, if you're getting this, you have to tap in on Advanced Options. Once you have clicked on Advanced Option, you will get a new page where you have to select on Troubleshoot, and then again on the new page you have to select on Advanced Option. Doing so will open a new page which will look similar to this one. For the first solution, you can just click on the Startup Repair, which will then start repairing the problems that your PC has been facing. This should probably solve your problem. However, if this does not solve your problem, you can come back to the same page and this time click on Uninstall Updates. Then click on Uninstall Latest Quality Updates. After that, you have to click on Uninstall Quality Update. However, if this also does not solve, for the third solution, you can click on System Restore. Here you just have to click on Next and this should also fix your problem. However, for the fourth solution, you can click on Startup Settings. Thereby, you will see many options. You have to click on Restart. After that, you will see some of the restart setting or startup settings. You have to click on or press a number to choose from the options. We have to click on Enable Safe Mode. For my device, it is given as number 4. This will now open your device with a black screen because it is in safe mode. Now you can go on search bar and click on this Cleanup. This will now select all of the cleanup options for your Windows. You can select on every option from the files to decide and click on OK. You'll have to wait until all the files are deleted. Again, on the search box, search for command prompt and run as administrator. It will then open your command prompt. Type in the command sfc/scan now. Once you hit the enter button, it will start scanning all the files, verify the defect and also repair it. So you will have to wait until this process is over. Now you can again go to the same page as before and continue and see if the issue has been fixed. However, if it is still causing some of the error, you can go back as the same step as before and open the command prompt from the advanced option. Once the page has been opened, these 3 are the list of commands that you can build in. After that, you can now restart your device. This should probably fix your problem. However, if the issue still persists, the only option would be to restart your device. You can choose the files that you want to keep and restart it. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.